Here are 4 of my favorite healthy breakfast suggestions. I love a loaded oatmeal. So this is oats with frozen berries, flaxseed, peanut butter. It is so delicious and it lasts really long, very satisfying. You could also take some sprouted grain bread, any kind you like, and I like to toast it. If you want savory, I put some hummus, I put some everything but the bagel seasoning on top and sprinkle it with some greens if you want. Or you could do it if you want sweet. A lot of people like sweet in the morning. This is a sprouted grain bread with some nut butter and some bananas. You could also use seed butter, and you could sprinkle it with cinnamon like I did. I also love potatoes, but a nice sweet potato on its own is so delicious for breakfast, but I sprinkled this one with cinnamon. You could eat it with hot sauce. I do that most of the time, or you could eat it straight up. The other very simple go-to, on-the-go type of breakfast that's super healthy and easy is fresh fruit and then nuts and seeds. You're gonna get nice, substantial satiety from the seeds, and the fruit is nice and fresh, giving you your vitamin C. Great way to start the day, lots of energy. Here are my favorite suggestions. What are yours? Try them. Let me know what you think.